na ako nag-open ng vlog. Ang time na ngayon is 11:58. So maghahapon na, magta-12 na. So kanina pagising ko, nagkape ako tapos kumain ako ng Spanish bread. Tapos yung mga na-video ko kahapon sa Warburton Waterworld, sinubukan ko i-upload sa laptop ko tapos hindi ko siya, pag-connect ko ng camera hindi lumalabas yung mga files. So ni YouTube ko yung why can't I see my files, o may lumabas na video na paano mo ma-set yung laptop mo para makita mo yung files. Anyway, nagawa ko. So na-upload ko yung mga videos tapos kailangan ko pa i-edit yun. So ngayon naman umalis kami papuntang Yarraville. Anyway, nainis kasi yung katabi ko dito. Ayokong sabihin yung pangalan kasi maintindihan niya. Maintindihan niya. Kasi ang tagal ko mag-ready, siya na unang maligo kanina. Naghihintay na siya, nanonood siya ng ewan ko kung anong show na pinapanood niya. Tapos nung ready na ako, sinabi ko so anong gagawin natin? So nainis siya. Pupunta nga sa Yarraville. Maganda yung araw ngayon. It is currently 23 degrees, pero nung chinek ko sa weather app, ang top temperature sabi dun is 35 degrees. Iinit pa. And then bukas balik na ako sa trabaho. It's gonna be now, what did you say, 45?
45, I think, on Tuesday.
Last week when we were checking the weather for this week, yung temperature bukas was only at 42 degrees. Tapos ngayon tumaas na ulit, 45 na. So ewan ko na, good luck sa warehouse. That's today. 31 pala. I know why mine said 35. Kasi sinet ko kahapon yung weather app ko sa Warburton, kaya 35 degrees. I was saying location was Warburton, that's why it's 35 I saw. So I haven't changed it back. Hindi ko pala binalik sa Truganina yung location ko. Kaya pala ang taas nung 31 pala dito. Bukas 45 na. Oh my gosh. That is gonna be way too hot. Ayun yung ganap namin ngayon. Nandito na kami sa Yarraville. Dito, yung mga bahay dito, mga luma na. Tsaka gusto ko yung style ng mga bahay dito kasi mas maganda kesa sa dun saan kami nakatira, kasi yung dito ang daming ibang itsura na bahay. Yung sa mga bagong estate, halos lahat ng mga bahay magkamuka. Pero dito sa lumang suburb, maganda yung mga bahay kasi iba yung mga itsura, tapos may garden sila. Yeah, mas gusto ko yung bahay dito. Pero is there a street where it's got some nice houses? Ito maganda, luma siya pero maganda. So hindi ko alam kung anong kakainin namin. Ay, ano ba yun? Nahihiya pa rin ako maglabas to. Tapos ang daming tao. So dito maraming kinip nila yung mga lumang buildings. Tapos itong Sun Theater, matagal na to. How old is it? Hindi ko alam kung how old it is, but yung style nila, kinip nila yung old style ng theater. Kahit sa loob, kinip nila yung basta kinip nila yung theater na hindi nila minodernize. Ayan. kahit yung sign kung anong movies naka-release. Ayan na. So where do you want to go? Because I think it's going to be too big for you then.
Well, you're only getting one between us.
Well, you said you couldn't even eat a half.
Well, maybe. I couldn't. I don't think it's open anyway.
Oh yeah, true. The seats are not out. No, it's not open. Sorry.
Save a little bit of outside.
Can you sit out here?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
So yung pinili namin kainan is Wigini. Kasi nga, sarado yung Jimmy's Deli. So dito kami sa Wigini. What'd you say? Super salad.
Turmeric like that. Shall I try one of those?
No, I don't think you like that.
Yes, thank you.
I'll just get the porterhouse steak sandwich.
Any drink, Wolf?
We'll get 2 iced almond lattes.
Ice on one. And I'll have the superfood salad with the salmon. Salmon? Yeah. Oh, okay. Thank you so much.
Kahapon dun sa Kumbira restaurant na kinainan namin, nagustuhan nung dalawa kong pamangkin mag-vlog. So, nilabas ko yung camera tapos gusto nila mag-vlog. Mas mahiyain yung panganay ko na pamangkin, si Aisha, pero si Zainab, si Zainab hindi siya nahihiya. Gustong gusto niya mag-vlog. Nung tinabi ko na yung camera, kinukulit nila ako na ilabas ulit para i-video sila. Kasi nga gusto nila, lahat ng ginagawa nila, gusto nila ipakita sa inyo. So makikita nyo dun sa vlog yung vlog kahapon, nung kumakain kami, ang kulit nila.
Have you taken?
So ito yung porterhouse steak sandwich. Tapos ito yung super salad, is it? Super salad?
Super salad.
Super salad. Ito yung super salad with salmon. So pwede mong piliin kung anong protein na gusto mo. Pinili niya is salmon.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my heart to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousand, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that.
Masarap naman yung steak sandwich. Usually, pag nag-order ka ng steak sandwich, chewy yung steak niya. Pero yung ito, baka kasi manipis lang yung steak. Hindi siya chewy. Madali lang kainin. Naubos na namin. Well, actually, may natira kasi hindi ko naman maubos yung bread. Tsaka yung chips pala, yung iba bagong luto, tapos yung iba luma kasi malamig na siya. Hindi daw niya kaya ubusan yung salad niya pero kasi ayaw niya i-waste. Tsaka busog na ako, kinain niya na lahat. Ito yung movie na papanoorin namin, The Housemaid. Sydney Sweeney and Amanda Seyfried. Naghihintay lang kami dito kasi nililinis pa nila yung sinihan, hindi pa ready. Kakatapos na nila linisin, pwede na daw kami pumasok. Dito pala. Oh, shit. Which, wala pang tao dito, kami lang mo, kami pa lang. Maliit lang yung sinihan. As for free. Well, there's more here.
That's the big one.
So there's 10 minutes left. Maybe I'll try this one, white choc. The white choc and honeycomb made with this stuff.
Oh yeah. But there's also raspberry white.
No, I think I tried that one. I prefer this, but I'll try this.
Well, I'll have that other one.
Which one? The one you said at the start?
Yeah.
I'll get it. Is it? Hi. Can I please get one scoop in a cup of the white choc and honeycomb stuff? And one scoop of the raspberry, pineapple and lychee. Just a cup as well. Just those two. Yes.
It's just $14.96. You a member and all as well?
I know.
Just on the top when you're ready.
So nag-stop kami sa Bunnings kasi gusto kong bumili ng something for the langgam. Daming langgam ng bahay para hindi na sila pumasok. Pag iniwan mo yung plato o something sa sink, the next morning ang dami na nilang langgam. Oh yeah. So ito, ant killer. Yeah, I think there's there's this ant killer dust.
You can try that. 500 grams.
Well, you need to get a spray spray bottle.
Not even have one.
No, we don't have one. So, try namin yung dalawang choices. So, yung try namin para mawala yung mga ants is itong Rich Grow and Killa na granular. So, ito pang outdoor. Tapos, may spray na Rich Grow din siya. Sana mag-work siya. Kasi naiinis na talaga ako sa paggising ko ng umaga, ang daming langgam. Naiirita ako. Kailangan ko linisin. Try natin to. Hopefully it works. Nakauwi na kami. Pakita ko sa inyo yung mga ants dito sa butler's pantry. O ayan. So yung alam ko, dito sila pumapasok. Sa corner na yan. Tapos, ayan o, ang daming pinatay ko na. Inispray ko lang sila kaninang umaga. Hindi ko pa nilinis. Kasi gusto ko makita niya. So, sa side na yan. So dito daw yung isang entrance nila sa corner nito. Anyway, try namin yun and sabihin ko sa inyo kung mag-work siya.